Okay, so Hapa job has already finished by Dr. Ajit Babu. I don't want to go into details. So these are a lot of challenges in the community in the TR screening, and it's major public health problem in India. And diabetic retinopathy is an important cause of overall blindness. And up to 90% of 98% DR related visual impairment can be avoided by early screening and prompt management. That's most important. Early screening is very important. And the prevalence of diabetes already increasing from 77 million further, and more so during the COVID times. COVID is a number of cases. So, and COVID also is responsible for the inducing more amount of diabetes. Probably it has got some effect, some role. It attacks the beta cells of the pancreas. So number of diabetes will increase in the post-COVID era. So huge population or huge diabetic people to be screened. So Dr. Shashank Joshi, the popular endocrinologist from Mumbai, has already said that the number of diabetics in the poor is rising, and awareness is the casualty. Many people, they do not know that their diabetes can lead to complications. So this is another thing. At the 80% of people with the diabetes have uncontrolled blood sugar. That's the most important thing. This uncontrolled blood sugar may lead to complications. So what are the issues in the society, our community? There's a more rural population. 80% of our population live in the rural areas. And these people are mostly illiterate and they have low awareness of the health conditions. And again, another factor is the poor economy of them. And of course, the treatment is very expensive. Whatever you subsidized treatment is given by government even, so it is really expensive for these common people. And last but not least, the poor referral by our physician friends. So these are the challenges for the DR management, inadequate facilities in the rural areas. And more important so is the asymptomatic in the early phase. Unless the vision compromise occurs, the patient do not visit the doctor. Late presentation of ophthalmologist, and available retina and eye space in the rural areas is very, very less, and lack of the good referral system. Doctors' issues, physicians, most of the times, they do not know much about the complications of diabetic retinopathy leading to blindness, and they do not ensure in their patients for the periodic eye checkup for the blind, diabetic people, and they do not counsel the patients that they have to check their eyes. Today, I've seen a patient of 15 years diabetic, and he's under the treatment of a diabetic doctor, but he has never referred. This patient came with advanced diabetic retinopathy in both eyes. So these are the challenges. So we have to create awareness among the physicians for proper referral, because the first sort, they are the patients, they see the diabetic patients. So what are the patient's issues? The most important patients is the uncontrolled diabetes. They do not bother about control of diabetes, and they lack of education, and they unaware that diabetes, if it remains for a long time, they lead to a lot of complications in the body. And of course, there's a poor infrastructure in the rural areas. Hardly there is a primary health center or the doctor is available in the rural areas. And of course, the so-called health workers never visit them and do not advise that their eyes must be checked. Infrastructure issues, as I already told, there is a hardly that a hospital in the rural and the hilly areas, and secondary centers, hardly again 1 or 2 centers are there. District headquarter hospitals are still yet to be well equipped, and tertiary hospitals are very few. And of course, the common man, the financial crisis, and more so during this COVID era, they have to be, they become still pauper. So another important factor in excessive diabetic care is the distance. They have to travel long distance to check their eyes, and one single visit is not sufficient for them to get the eye treatment. So what measures to be taken? So we have to create awareness. That the most important, that displaying banners, public meetings, distribution of leaflets, media, television, whatever the source of media available to us, we must create awareness that check your eyes, otherwise you'll become blind. Screening by all the cameras, already told by my friends, I don't want to go into details. And teleopticians, of course, next talk will have the teleopticians. An aggressive referral system by all the people who come in contact, first contact with the patient. The vision center, all the vision centers must be enriched with a mediatic, non-mediatic or mediatic fundus camera with the ophthalmic technician, optometrist, and he should do the screening and send the patient to the nearby hospital for the treatment. Secondary care center is to be increased, and all the secondary care centers should be provided with the minimum treatment for the laser and the anti-VEGF treatments. Tertiary care centers, yes, we have to increase the tertiary care centers, but the VR surgery, advanced VR surgery will be available. So these are the measures. If you take, then of course it can improve. So role of teleophthalmology, my next talk will be with the role of teleophthalmology. I don't want to go into details. So there are three societies, I would say, that community, workers, you can say. One is the AIO's task force, just about discussing Dr. Natarajan. Stop blindness, screening through teleophthalmology for the prevention of diabetic blindness, Jyot Jalao. Then, of course, IMA PDV, Dr. Energy Raju sitting. We are doing a lot of tremendous work in the last few years, and we to create even society. Of course, our newly formed TOSI, if they all these join together, you must create a slogan in the society. Are you diabetic? Do you know that you will become blind? So if it goes in the mind of the patient, probably he'll come forward to further screening. So a joint effort by government, IMA, AIOS, TOSI, and NGOs like Lions Club, Rotary Club can all together work together to prevent diabetic blindness. So need to make diabetic care available, accessible, and affordable to the rural population. That is my message to the all of us, so that we have to make sure that all rural people get the proper screening of diabetes. So thank you.